Storyline is a slide-based e-learning authoring software tool. This means that you insert the content you want the user to learn on individual slides. The number of slides in the lesson is dependent upon the amount of information you need to include in the lesson and the amount of information on each slide. Transitions allow the brain to reset as the learner proceeds from one slide to the next slide. And the Transitions tab is where you control what the user sees, if anything, as he or she moves from slide to slide. There are two sections to the Transitions tab: Transitions to this slide and Publish. The Transitions to Slide section has a drop-down menu showing tiles that visually represent what the user will see, going from one slide to the next slide. At the far right of the drop-down is an Effect Options icon. This will be grayed out until you select a transition. The options available for the transition are dependent on the specific effect you choose to use. You can also set the transition's duration and whether it applies only to this slide or all slides in the lesson. Again, you can preview and publish the lesson at the far right side of the ribbon.